Logging expenses is the one system I always skip. You open a Google Sheet, forget what it was for, and say, I will do it later. Now I just send a screenshot to ChatGPT and it logs everything for me. In this video, I will show you the exact custom GPT that I built and how you can build your own in 15 minutes. It reads scripts, extracts data, and updates my Google Sheet without writing a single line of code. If you are building with AI to remove friction from your life, this is for you. Hey, I'm Annamalai. I'm trying to speak AI like a native, build systems that set me free, and play this world like a game. I'm not here to teach, I'm here to level up and fill in the whole thing in the process. Let me show you how I log an expense now. I'm going to capture this as a screenshot and give it to ChatGPT. Log this. I'm just giving the screenshot of Amazon order details page. Let's see how it works. Got it. Here's what I have pulled from: date, vendor, purchase, category, payment method. It's already assumed it's a scare personal because it's an earphone, bank, and not just to confirm was this HDFC. I'm giving ICICI and amount and everything. Just give enter. Now it will show the snapshot of whatever it extracted. It's added the purchase date, vendor, and everything is there. Now it's asking me for shall I log this now? Just give yes. Now it's saying talking to connector and it's asking for your confirmation. Just give confirm. It might take few seconds to connect with Zapier Actions. All logged. Your purchase of the OnePlus bullets is already added. Let's go and check here. 2nd June, OnePlus purchase, personal credit card, and everything is added. Just like that, you can add any expenses from ChatGPT to Google Sheets. No tabs, no formulas, no remembering to update anything. This was the one system that I always skip and delete for almost last minute. And now it feels effortless form. Whenever I bought something or buy a subscription, I will just take a screenshot and put it into ChatGPT. It will directly add it to my Google Sheet. For months, I told myself I would track every business expenses, tool, subscription, and everything. So I made a Google Sheet. I even color coded it, And guess what? I opened it only twice. One when I create this Google Sheet, and another when my finance guy asked. Every time I wanted to log something, I would either forget, procrastinate, or just screenshot it and promise to do it later, which means, never. The sheet became a guilt trip, not a system that I actually want to work. That's when I realized I don't need another tool, I need less friction. So instead of trying to force a habit I clearly hated, I decided to replace it. I already using ChatGPT every day, so what if it could become my expense track? That's how this idea started. Let's get into how I built this. Before opening ChatGPT or Zapier, I did one thing most people skip. I sketched it out like a product. You can see it here. What's the flow? What information do I need to extract? What's the final destination? How do I want it to feel like? These are something that I planned before and sketch it in this paper. Inside ChatGPT, I built a custom GPT, not just a fancy prompt, but a complete persona. When you start writing the logic, you need these 5 things. First, role definition. Second, data fields to extract. Third, interaction behavior. Fourth, confirmation flow. Fifth, Zapier action trigger. This is the prompt I personally created for this custom GPT. You are a BizBot. If you want to change it to Smushy Logger or any name you want, you can change it here. A friendly, intuitive, and detail-focused expense logging assistant. Your goal: help users log their purchases, subscription into a Google Sheet effortlessly and accurately. No fuss, no friction. You specialize in converting any inputs, screenshots, PDFs, casual messages into clean, structured records ready for financial tracking and tax filing. Next thing, data fields to collect from whatever we are giving. For each entry, extract and confirm date. Use this format 27th May 2025. If missing, ask, should I use today's date? Because most of the time when I purchase it, I will just directly go into ChatGPT and add it. Type either subscription or purchases. Default to subscription because most of them we are purchasing tools only. Category: one of business, YouTube personal. Payment method: choose UPI or credit card. Bank: choose from whatever bank you have. Month: autofill based on the date. It will extract the month from it, so that it would be easy for auditing purpose. Amount and notes. You can also add extra content or description if it is buying from Amazon and all. So it will add a product name. Next, interaction behavior. You have to mention what are all the interactions that you want with users, because it is the logic that you can write accept any input format, text, images, or PDF. If input includes multiple values, extract all confidently and confirm unclear ones. So this confirm unclear ones, whenever it has any confusion or anything, it will ask you, these are my assumptions. Can I proceed with that, or you can give me more inputs on that? For missing information, ask one field at a time. Never dump a full list. Sometimes what ChatGPT does is, when I tried it out, it will ask all the questions, and sometimes it might be overwhelming for the users. So I thought just ask one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that we will ask in a comma separated way. Don't repeat questions unless clarification is required. because I don't want to ask it again and confirm it, ask it again and confirm it. I don't want that. Just to give a full snapshot of it. Then I click yes. Then you can proceed the logging. Speak in a warm, easygoing tone like a calm, efficient office assistant. This is the important step, confirmation step. After all fields are gathered, here's what I got. Does this look right? Show a simple table with all the values. Shall I log this now? If confirmed, trigger the Zapier action, log to sheets. This is what the Zapier action means. What we are going to do is when you create a ChatGPT actions, you need to name it so that you can call it specifically afterwards. I will explain detail when I show you how to build this GPT from scratch. Next, edge case handling. If file uploaded but unreadable, I couldn't extract details from this. Can you tell me what it's for? If unclear data form, just to confirm, was this paid via HDFC or another bank? If input is vague, paid last week, was for clarity. And your personality, it's completely optional. I just want to give it more structured to align it perfectly. Think of yourself as a friendly like a helpful admin, sharp like a detail-oriented bookkeeper, conversations like a modern chat companion. Your job is to make expense logging feel quick, stress-free, and reliable, so users stick with it every time. The whole system runs through 3 components: GPT, Zapier, and Sheets. There is a device limitations to consider here. The integration works through browser cookies, so it only functions while it's on the cookies. Otherwise, it will ask you for sign into Zapier. So it's not possible in mobile phones for now. I have also encountered these limitations myself and will share any solution I find in the future videos. Let's get into the real game. How you can build it in 15 minutes. Step 1. Set up the Google Sheet. Start by creating a Google Sheet with these fields. This is the Google Sheet that you have to follow. Date, vendor, type, category, payment method, bank, amount, month, and notes. Name your columns exactly like in your custom GPT prompt that you have created now. This will make Zapier mapping easier. Step 2. Create a Zapier account. When you create a Zapier account, it automatically pushes you to the Zap creation dashboard. We don't need that, so I will just drop the link in the description for you so you can directly access this platform GPT action. These are called Zapier AI Actions. Here you can get a detailed understanding, and also they gave you the tutorial of how to do that. I will explain in simple terms so you don't have to worry about this kind of thing. They have this version of Zapier MCP is being replaced and they created the new version, but I tried that out. It's not working now. So we can use this. Step 3. Build the custom GPT. Now open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. This is where you can see all the GPTs and you can create your own GPT from here. Just click on Create. Here's where we are going to create this. So just give a name. I will just give a Bispot 12. Just a random name, and you can give a description. I am here to log your expense to Google Sheets. So here is what the instructions are. Just open it in the bigger view. Just copy my prompt or use it as a template, or you can create your own prompt and give it as an instruction here. Once you complete it, just close it. And here you can give the conversation starters. This is not necessary for now. If you want, you can keep it. I want to log an expense. I want to log an subscription like that. But now it's not needed. So I'll just leave it just like that. If you have any knowledge or upload files or anything you have like PDF, because currently we give instructions everything in the prompt. If you want to do it in files, then you can upload it here. Recommended model, I'm just giving it a GPT 4.0. That is fine. Capabilities. Do you want to search the web or do you want to use the canvas 4-word image generation? Currently we don't need it, but I'm just leaving it just like that because we are not going to trigger it anyways. This is the custom GPTs action. From here you can connect with other APIs. You can communicate with the other worlds just like we are doing with Google Sheets. I'm just going to create a new action. Here I'm not going to do anything. This is the schema that has been provided by Zapier. What you have to do is just import from URL. Just go to this page and copy this entire link and give it and click import. Now it created the schema specifically for this GPT. It has been updated by Zapier. Just go to that page. They will provide a latest link for that and they will update the available actions and then the privacy policy. What is the next thing you can do is, here you can see the rules. These are the rules that are specifically for Zapier actions to work on our ChatGPT. So what you have to do is just copy this only here because currently it's providing Google Calendar find event, but our action is different. You can say it log to sheets. Got it? So just copy this and then paste it inside our instruction. What we did is log to sheets because this is the action that we gave here. Log to sheet. If you want to change this, you can change it and you can change here as well. Otherwise, it won't recognize the Zapier actions. Make sure it's same in the Zapier action so that it can be easy to map. Now, going to this Zapier AI Actions page. I also give this link in the description below so you can use it from there. These are my saved GPT actions. These are something I tried out in the past. And this is the current version that we are using, log to sheets. When you want to create a new habit, you have to click on this add a new action.
Because I already created for my GPT, I'm going to reuse this log to sheet action.
Just go to this log to sheet so you can see how I used it. This is the action. Just click on here and use create spreadsheet row and select it and connect your Google Sheets account, and then find your spreadsheet that you have created, and you can also put what worksheet that you have been using. It will ask details for all the custom fields that you have created in Google Sheets. Just have AI guess a value for this field. That's it. Once it's completed, just make it done. Once you created this Zapier AI action, it will look like this, and make sure it's enabled properly. Now go to our ChatGPT. Now try something. Okay, Canva 500 rupees. Let's see how well it responds. Okay, let's fill in the details for this Canva expense. A couple of quick questions that I want to ask. It's all step by step, just like we prompted. You can take today. It's a subscription. It's for business. Payment method credit card. Probably it will ask the bank as well, so I give it in before. Perfect. Shall I log this now? Yes. Now it's debugging. The BizBot 12 wants to talk to actions.jpa.com. Yes, confirm. Because I'm using the same action that I created before, it will log into the same Google Sheets. So you can do that as well. It's logged. Let's see. There are two Canva is there or not. It's logged properly. Canva. Now your finance assistant is ready for you. The last thing is you can just click create here. Just give one link, or if you want to give it to your friends or families or anyone with the link you can give, and just click save. That's it. This is how you can create custom GPT that talk to Google Sheets. Have a personal finance assistant inside ChatGPT that logs your expenses just by talking. This little build solved something I used it to avoid for months. Expense tracking used it to feel like a chore. Now it feels like a quick win for me. I didn't need more discipline. I just needed less friction. And that's what this custom GPTs are really about. Removing friction from systems that hold us back. If you are building with AI to simplify your life, to create leverage, or just to make your systems feel good again, this channel's for you. I share what I learned, what I built, not as an expert, but as someone figuring it out in public. So hit subscribe if you are on this path. The best systems are the ones you want to use. Thank you. This is Annamalai.